What if the healthiest breakfasts were also the ones you crave the most? What if slowing down for 4 minutes could change the way you eat all day? Hello, beautiful people. I'm Lucy, and this is Lucy's Healthy Kitchen, a place where simple food becomes a daily ritual of care. Today we're making something warm, comforting, and deeply nourishing. Cinnamon Orange Baked Oats. If you love slow cooking, real ingredients, and food that truly loves you back, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss a new recipe. Let's begin. This is the kind of breakfast you make on purpose. Not rushed, not distracted, just warm, fragrant, and grounding. Here's everything you'll need. Rolled oats, 80 grams or 2.8 ounces. Choose old-fashioned oats for the best texture. Milk of your choice, 200 milliliters or 6.8 fluid ounces. Dairy or plant-based both work beautifully. 1 medium orange. We'll use the zest for aroma and the juice for brightness. 1 large egg. This gives structure and softness. Maple syrup or honey. 20 grams, about 1 tablespoon for gentle sweetness. Ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon, warm and comforting. Baking powder, half a teaspoon, just enough lift. A pinch of salt, tiny but essential. It wakes up every flavor. Optional but lovely, a few orange slices for the top, and a little yogurt or extra honey for serving. Start by whisking the egg gently in a bowl. Add the milk, the maple syrup, and the fresh orange juice. Now stir in the oats. Let them absorb the liquid for about 1 minute. This helps create a creamy center. Add the cinnamon, baking powder, and salt. Finish with the orange zest. This is where the magic happens. Mix slowly. There's no rush here. Pour the mixture into a lightly greased baking dish. Smooth the top. And arrange the orange slices gently. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes until set, golden, and fragrant. Let it rest for 5 minutes after baking. This allows the oats to settle and the flavors to deepen. Serve warm. Add yogurt for creaminess or a drizzle of honey for shine. 1 serving contains approximately 320 calories, 10 grams protein, 9 grams fat, 45 grams carbohydrates, rich in fiber from oats, vitamin C from fresh orange, and antioxidants from cinnamon. This dish supports digestion, steady energy, and balanced blood sugar, perfect for slow mornings or mindful meal prep. This isn't just breakfast, it's a moment you give yourself. Thank you for spending this time with me. If you enjoyed this recipe, subscribe, hit the bell, and stay close. I'll see you in Lucy's Healthy Kitchen.